Onions are a staple in kitchens worldwide, but what if I told you that eating them the wrong way could harm your health? That's right. Please stay tuned to find out. Today, we're diving into the surprising truth about onions, how they can potentially increase your risk of cancer and even lead to memory loss if eaten like this. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. First, let's get one thing straight. Onions are packed with health benefits. They're rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and compounds that can fight inflammation and even boost your immune system. But here's where it gets interesting. Under certain conditions, onions can actually become harmful. Let me explain. Here's mistake number 1: eating leftover raw onions. Once an onion is cut, it starts to oxidize and can quickly become a breeding ground for harmful bacteria. If stored improperly, these bacteria might release toxins that can affect your health over time. Second, avoid eating spoiled or sprouted onions. When onions begin to sprout or decay, they can develop toxic compounds that may irritate your digestive system or even have carcinogenic properties in extreme cases. Studies suggest that consuming oxidized or contaminated onions could lead to increased oxidative stress in your body. Oxidative stress has been linked to various health issues, including cancer and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. While onions themselves are healthy, improper handling is what creates the risk. Now, let's talk solutions. To avoid these risks, 1. Always store sliced onions in an airtight container in the fridge and consume them within 1-2 days. 2. Check for any signs of sprouting or mold before cooking. 3. Cook onions thoroughly if they've been stored for a while, as heat can kill harmful bacteria. Some people believe onions absorb viruses or that they're toxic when eaten raw. Both are myths. Raw onions are perfectly safe if they're fresh and properly handled, so don't be afraid to enjoy that fresh onion salad or garnish. So there you have it. The truth about onions and how to safely enjoy them without worrying about cancer or memory loss. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Let's keep our kitchens safe and our meals delicious.